Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a applied visual design tutorial on freeCodeCamp. We're going to learn how to change the font weight in your CSS. So the font weight basically says how thick or thin your characters are in that section of the text. Think how bold you want it to be. So this is the syntax for the property of it. And then this is the values you can give it. And we can, for this exercise, we just want to change these tags to have it with what they have here. So for H1, we want to add font weight and add it to 800. And we can see now it's more thicker. And we can just copy this for the other ones. So H2 would be 600. H3 will be 500. H4 will be 400. H5 will be 500. And then lastly, H6 will be 200. Oops, I did it wrong. So this should be 300. This should be 400. Right, as you can see, the thickness of the text is going down. That's how we wanted it. And that's it. Thank you.